Hello, I'm Lucy D. Shields, and today I'm going to be talking about Google Docs. Google Docs is an app that Google offers. Google is used by most schools, so students have the access to the app. Microsoft Word and Google Docs are very similar. When you first open Google Docs, you're given the options of blank, report, resume, a different resume, letter, and project proposal. If you've ever used Google Docs before, there's also all your other work, as it says recent docs, are underneath here if you just scroll down. So to start off with, we're going to start with a blank page. So very similar to Word, you have the same file, edits, view. And one thing I want to point out is your insert. You can go to image and search the web, and you can look up different images from the web. So there's pictures of dogs. You can do students in class room, pulls up pictures, and all you gotta do is pop it straight on and it's on your page once it creates it. And there you go. So if you're doing a good thing that Google helps with is that you can actually share your documents. So if you click share, it's going to ask for you to name it. So let's just do school project and save. So once you get on there, you can type in, if you're in a group project, if you can type in their other emails through Google, and you can send it to multiple people at I don't think there's a limit, but you can do where they can edit it. You can do it where the only thing you can do is comment on it, and you can do where the only thing they can do is view it. This is really good, like I said, for group projects because multiple people can be on the same page at the same time, and it pops up, if there are multiple people, like right up here, it pops up that all the different people that are working on it, and when you're typing, it pops up different things. So that's all I have, and hopefully that helps you understand Google Docs a little bit better. Thank you.